Luke chapter 24. Jesus wake up from death. For early morning for the first day for the week, the women carry the perfume wey dem prepare go the grave where dem bury Jesus put. They come see say they don roll the stone comot from the grave mouth. But when they enter inside, they no see Jesus body for there. As dem dey confused because of this thing, they come see two men wey their clothes dey shine like light and dem stand for corner. Fear catch the women and they come face ground. But the men tell them, why una dey find person wey dey alive for where dead body dey? E no dey here again. God don wake am. Una remember wetin he tell una when he dey Galilee, say dem must sell man pikin give wicked people and dem go kill am throway, and for the third day he go wake up. Then the women come remember wetin Jesus tell them. So dem comot from the grave, come go tell the 11 apostles and the rest people wetin happen. Na Mary Magdalene, Joanna, Mary wey be James mama, and the other women wey dey with them. Na them tell the apostles all these things. But their word no mean anything to the apostles, so they no believe the women. But Peter can't get up, run go the grave. He bend down, look inside, and he see only the clothes. Then he can't go house. They wonder wetin happen. Jesus waka for Emmaus road. That day, two men among Jesus' disciples dey waka go one village wey dem dey call Emmaus, wey not too far from Jerusalem. Dem dey talk to each other about the things wey happen. As dem dey talk, Jesus come begin waka with them, but Jesus no let them know who he be. Then Jesus come ask them, "Na wetin make una dey talk like this for road?" They come stand for one place, dey surprise for am. Then one among them, wey him name be Cleopas, come tell am, "Na only you be stranger for Jerusalem wey you no know the things wey dey happen since." Jesus ask them, "Which things?" They answer, "The things about Jesus wey come from Nazareth. One man wey wetin he dey talk and do show say he na God prophet, and how our priest oga dem and the people wey dey rule us kill am throway. But we bin hope say na him go free Israel, and these things don happen for 3 days now. Some women wey dey with us come even surprise us. They go where dem bury am put this morning, and dem no see him body for there. They come back, they talk say dem see angels wey tell them say Jesus dey alive. Then some people wey dey with us come go the grave and dem see everything as the women talk, but dem no see Jesus." So Jesus tell them, "Una no get sense, and una no dey quick believe wetin all the prophets talk. Dem no talk say the Messiah go must to suffer all these things and then he go enter in glory. Then he can't use wetin Moses and all the prophets write take tell them wetin God talk about am for him word." As dem near the village where dem dey go, Jesus do like say he wan waka go front, but dem tell am, "Make you stay with us, because evening don nearly reach and day go soon dark." So Jesus enter the village, come follow them stay. He sit down for where dem dey shop. He take bread, bless am, come divide and give them. At once then their eye open and they come know am. Then he vanish from their front. They come tell each other, No wonder it be like say fire dey burn inside our hearts when e dey talk with us for road about God. So dem get up at once, go back to Jerusalem. Dem see the 11 apostles and the other people wey dey with dem. Come tell dem, Jesus don really wake up and he don appear to Simon. Then dem talk wetin happen for road and how dem take know Jesus when he divide the bread. Jesus appear for the last time. As dem still dey talk, Jesus come stand with dem tell dem, make peace dey with una. But dem shock, come begin fear, because dem think say na spirit dem dey see. Then Jesus come say, why una dey fear? And why una no believe? Make una look my hand and leg. Make una touch me. Spirit no get flesh and bone, as una see say I get. When Jesus don talk this one, he come show dem in hand and leg. And as dem never still believe because of their happiness, and they still dey surprise, Jesus ask dem, una get anything to chop for here? So they come give am fish wey they don cook. He come take am, chop for their front. Jesus last word with them. Then Jesus tell them, na the word wey I tell una when I still dey with una be this. Everything wey dem write about me for Moses' law, the prophets' book, and Psalms must happen. Then he open their mind so that dem go fit understand God word. Come tell them, na wetin dem write be this. The Messiah go suffer, and he go wake up from death for the 3rd day. And dem go use him name preach, give people, make dem for turn from their sin, come meet God. And the preaching go start from Jerusalem. Una be witness for these things. I dey send wetin my papa promise come meet una. So make una stay for this town until power go come from heaven, come cover una. Jesus go heaven. Then Jesus take them go Bethany, come lift him hand and bless them. As he dey bless them, God come carry am go heaven. So them worship am, come go back to Jerusalem, they happy well. And then they go the temple every time, they praise God.